Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation here guys, here 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you need to find where the relay is located for the power seats, multi-contour seats, that's known as massaging seats. Stay with us, we'll explain which relay you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses, relays from, and why it's important to test fuses and relays guys, so you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So right here we're going to demonstrate where the power seats, massaging seats relay is located on 2016 Ford F-150. You have guys 2 fuse boxes, but we'll need to work in the fuse box that's located under the hood. It's known as the engine bay fuse box or battery junction box. And if we come right here, this is your 12-volt battery on your F-150, and that cover right here is the one that we will need to see. Okay, that cover is actually the fuse box cover here, and if you open that fuse box cover, you're going to see a fuse box, and the layout will be just like that. That will be the front of your truck guys, that will be towards the windshield side. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, you can see how you have different kinds of fuses, relays. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping for your convenience. The power seats, multi-contour massaging seats relay will be in that panel right here guys, and if you look at that relay on the very bottom right side, that's the relay that we will need to check on the right side, the very bottom one above the fuses. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.